Hi, I'm Matt Oppenheimer, co-founder and CEO of Remitly. At Remitly, immigrants and their families are at the heart of everything that we do. We serve people who are resilient and determined individuals who are courageous enough to move away from their families to seek new opportunities and to build better lives for themselves and their loved ones. Those who aim to reach new heights while honoring their roots. These are our customers, and they, along with their families, need and deserve trusted financial services designed specifically for them. Over the last decade, Remitly has built a customer-friendly, convenient, mobile-centric platform that is reliable, affordable, quick, and always on, allowing millions of customers to send and receive funds in over 75 currencies, 24 hours a day, with minimal effort, on fair and transparent terms, and with complete peace of mind. And we're just getting started. At Remitly, team and culture aren't just empty corporate buzzwords. They are the cornerstones of our success. The tremendous growth we have seen and the business we have today would not be possible without our people.
Before we even thought about what's the product we're going to build, we thought about what are the common values we have.
What specifically attracted me to Remitly was its customer-centric culture.
Every time we are facing some roadblock, we can think of the customer and make the customer's life way easier.
The experience of being an immigrant and working for a company that is dedicated for immigrants, to me, just makes complete sense.
From day one at Remitly, we knew that building a world-class team and fostering a vibrant, enduring culture began by embracing a clear, unified, and deeply rooted set of values. First and foremost, we strive to be singularly focused on serving our customers and their loved ones. That's embodied in the value customer centricity, which is the value you will always see at the top. But how we serve them and each other matters as well. At our company, that means acting with purpose, by aiming high without fear of failure. It also means building relationships with integrity, honesty, and empathy. And finally, it means taking action to deliver on promises and continuously improve. Our values motivate us to think bigger, act bolder, and attract, inspire, and retain a diverse, world-class team each and every day.
We all have the same mission, and that automatically bonds us.
Empathetic partnership and customer centricity are the two core tenets, I think, for everything we do here.
My life is the immigrant experience, and so it means so much to me to work someplace where people want to build tools to empower them.
Remitly has built such an inclusive and equitable culture that people from diverse backgrounds and people with diverse perspectives are really able to come to the table and work towards our mission.
I love working at Remitly because I feel supported and heard.
I feel like Remitly loves that I work at Remitly.
At its heart, Remitly is about peace of mind, something that 280 million immigrants often find in short supply, especially when dealing with financial services institutions that are not designed for them. We want our customers to have complete confidence and trust that their hard-earned money will arrive safely and on time in the hands of their loved ones. And to know that Remitly will be there, every step of the way, every time. That's not just our mission, it's our promise. One that we believe will drive our company's success and bring peace of mind to our customers and their families for many years to come.